All right, super fast review of multiplication and its meaning. So 2 times 3 can be spoken of as 2 groups of 3, or it can be written similarly as 3 groups of 2. Why are these two the same thing, and who cares why they're different? The Common Core math standards are very, very focused on the order of these. They want 2 times 3 to be pictured as 2 groups of 3, and 3 times 2 to be pictured as 3 groups of 2. Most of you know that these are the exact same thing, but when we go into fraction multiplication, it'll make sense why we want to look at it 2 different ways, kind of. The fact that these two are equal, you know, is known as the commutative property, which a whole bunch of you have had issues with spelling, so please make sure you spell it correctly. The commutative property, it's just like commuting to and from work or school.